So now that we've got this in here, we're going to learn two things, and then I'm going to send you off to make the rest of your hamburger on your own. So what I want to show you is over in this layers over here, you can actually rename these layers. So I can go to layer 1 here and I can double click. And when you double click on the name, it'll become like a box with you be able to type in it, and we can name this like hamburger buns. And then to keep the name, you just hit enter on your keyboard. And then you can go do the same thing for layer 2. So like it can be patty, and you have your patty there. So now what you're going to be challenged to do is go get a cheese, a lettuce, and a tomato for this hamburger. And so I'm going to go off to the web, and you're just going to go ahead and look for like a sliced tomato, for instance, if I could finish typing, I guess. And you're looking, remember, from a top-down view, so this would be a great one. And then you need to get rid of the background and resize them and get them all on that bottom bun. And then once you have the lettuce and the tomato and the I feel like there was something else. Cheese. There we go. Lettuce, tomato, and cheese. You're going to go ahead and once they're all layered on top of each other, they're going to be sitting on top of each other. So you're not going to see the hamburger patty probably, and you're not going to see the lettuce and tomato all on top. But it doesn't matter what order you put them in. I don't really care. But you then have to get the top bun on top of it. So I want you to get the 3 items of the lettuce, tomato, and the cheese with no backgrounds, all layered, rename the layers, practice those skills for selecting, removing backgrounds, all that kind of stuff. And then when you're ready, go to the next video so that way we can talk about how to put that top bun on top of all of those objects since they're on the same layer as the bottom bun.